Today we make chicken cheese loaded fries. First, potatoes. Cut them into long fries. Fry until golden and crispy. Now take them out and let them drain. Now let's heat the pan. Add some oil. Add the shredded chicken. Add a little salt. Add some black pepper. Add some paprika. Mix everything well. Let's melt the butter. Add the flour. Mix until smooth. Add the milk slowly. Add the cheddar cheese. Look at this creamy cheese. Let's build our loaded fries. Add the chicken on top. Pour the creamy cheese. Add more cheese.
Wow, so cheesy!
It's a must try. For more interesting recipes, subscribe our channel.